when the studio is silent and the musicians are gone, all that is left is the song. And the song only lasts about 3 minutes long. Music will indeed live on for generations to come.
Hey, here we go!
Now it's over, I guess we did it. So long, goodbye, don't make me cry, moving on.